are in the other family who are like the kinship, means the relative of those, means one of the brother from the family is residing in this particular area, where you can find some proper housing over there, because this is their ancestral land. 4 years back they have constructed these kind of the houses at here, which are as per the support from the government side. So pakka houses. A difficult challenge in front of them, that is how to live the life, because there are no school nearby areas, and that's how the kids of these families are not able to go to the school. And as they are much more like the gypsy people, biggest challenge in front of them, the drinking water. Although with several plants they have got some well as well as the tanks of the water nearby areas of them, but even then also it is not sufficient for them. And to move from one place to another place for the transportation purpose, they are having only their camels, and the camel cart are there. Time of the olden days, their main thing or the main occupation that used to be the hunting, and that's you can see a kind of a spear as we are having it here. It is very much sharp at the edges, and that is one of the main weapon of them. So they are very much confident with it. It is a kind of a can, and then you can find a sharp end on it. So they are basically great hunters. Now we are coming on the customs of them. They are the Hindu religion follower, but it is very much strange to know, and it is one of the fact which I also came to know just few days back when I was studying about this particular gypsy community, Bawri, that instead of doing the cremation, they do the burial of the body. At the far end, as you can see over there, the well area, and that is the stone part, that is particular area where they do bury the body whenever anybody in the family do die. So that is one thing which is very much strange at here and in the Bawri community. Here the debate and discussion is particularly going. Yes, this man and the ladies in the family, they are little aggressive in terms of that, as we came to know about their problems. So what they are telling, that if anybody is sick in the family, then it is really very much difficult to them to take that particular person to the nearest hospital. They are asking that there should be a proper road facilities at here, and then the school facilities should be there, and then above all the drinking water and the permission to do them the irrigation in this particular area, as they are having all this land which you can see in this area. Taluram, and Talu is having 5 kids actually. So the biggest challenge when you are having the very limited source of the income, and above all you are having a lot of kids, then it is really tough for them. So education is only the thing which is going to change them. Ram Ramji. So the nearby villager is here in their particular hamlet area or in their residential complex, and they are talking about all these things.